Welcome to the Competence FBOVS 303, Prepare Meat, Poultry and Egg Dishes. In this session, we'll be focusing on learning outcome 3. Prepare egg dishes. Let's explore the key topics we'll cover today. Here's an outline of the topics. 1. Selection of egg dishes ingredients and tools. 2. Application of preliminary preparations for egg. 3. Cooking guidelines for egg dishes. 4. Application of cooking methods for egg dishes. 5. Presentation guidelines. Now, let's delve into each topic in detail. Selection of egg dishes ingredients and tools. When selecting ingredients and tools for egg dishes, it's important to consider various factors. Identification of egg dish ingredients involves understanding the types of eggs available such as chicken, duck or quail eggs, their composition including the egg white, yolk and shell, and factors for choosing eggs based on freshness, size and intended use. Quality points for eggs include assessing the shell's integrity, freshness, and absence of abnormalities. Preparation tools for egg dishes include basic kitchen utensils like mixing bowls, whisks, spatulas, and frying pans. These tools are essential for tasks like whisking eggs, separating yolks from whites, flipping omelets, and poaching eggs. Understanding the use of each tool ensures efficient and precise preparation of egg dishes. Application of preliminary preparations for egg. In the intricate dance of culinary preparation, the journey of transforming eggs begins with measured precision. Each egg is meticulously portioned, ensuring the perfect balance for the recipe at hand. With a delicate touch, the eggs are cracked open, their contents gently released into the mixing bowl. It's a moment of careful attention, ensuring no stray shell fragments disrupt the harmony of the dish. Next comes the critical assessment of freshness. Through a practiced eye or the gentle float test, each egg is scrutinized for signs of quality, ensuring only the finest make it to the recipe. Then, the transformation begins. With a whisk or mixer in hand, the eggs are whipped into a frenzy, incorporating air and volume to achieve the desired texture. Cooking guidelines for egg dishes. In cooking egg dishes, ensure yolks are creamy and whites are set by monitoring doneness. Adjust cooking time accordingly for varying dish types, from quick scrambles to slow-cooked custards. Maintain precise cooking temperatures to prevent undercooking or overcooking. These guidelines are fundamental for crafting egg dishes that are both flavorful and safely prepared. Application of cooking methods for egg dishes. When it comes to preparing egg dishes, various cooking methods offer a spectrum of flavors and textures to delight the palate. Frying eggs in sizzling butter or oil creates a crisp outer layer while keeping the yolk tender and runny. Poaching eggs involves delicately simmering them in water or broth until the whites set while the yolk remains lusciously soft and liquid. Boiling eggs in their shell produces versatile results, from creamy soft boiled eggs with a molten center to firm hard boiled eggs perfect for salads, sandwiches, or as a quick snack. Simmering eggs in their shells offers a gentle cooking method that ensures even heat distribution, resulting in uniformly cooked eggs ideal for peeling and enjoying on their own or as part of a larger dish. Presentation guidelines. Presentation guidelines for egg dishes involve careful plating to create an appealing arrangement, ensuring consistent portion sizes and garnishing with complementary ingredients. Serving promptly at the right temperature maintains freshness and optimal texture. Adherence to basic egg cooking principles prevents overcooking or undercooking, ensuring the desired consistency. Attention to timing and temperature management is crucial for serving eggs at their best. Maintaining cleanliness and hygiene standards throughout the process is imperative for food safety. Creative touches and attention to detail enhance the visual appeal of the dish, making it more enticing to diners. To summarize, we've covered the selection of egg dishes ingredients and tools, preliminary preparations for eggs, cooking guidelines, application of cooking methods, and presentation techniques for egg dishes. Now, let's test your understanding. Why is it important to test eggs before using them in cooking? What are some common cooking methods for preparing egg dishes? How does presentation contribute to the overall dining experience of egg dishes? Think about these questions to reinforce your learning. Thank you for joining us in this session. Happy cooking!